All right, let's take a look. Neck's really bothering you.
Yeah, and I think my rib needs to be cracked on this side because, like, right in here, it feels like I'm on the verge of, like, a Charley horse. Like,
Really?
Yeah, like, constant.
Oh
Especially
my
when I'm
gosh.
laying here, so I don't know.
Well, slide down a little bit towards your feet. Let's get right to it. Give yourself a hug. Tender when I press down through here?
No, that's what's. Oh, well. A little bit right there. And that's right where you're pressing.
Right
where
there?
Yeah, that right there.
Okay. Let's see. So nice deep breath in. And let it all go. Little push here. There it is. Let's let that marinate.
No, that feels good.
Good.
That's exactly where the Charley horse was feeling. Like it was about to start.
Ouch, Charley.
Yeah.
And then the neck is bothering you too.
Mm-hmm. Like when I look up, it's pretty painful or tender on both sides, like at the base. And it might not even be my neck. It might be like down here.
Upper traps.
But it also feels a little tight like here this time, which is weird.
Do you have any numbness tingling into the shoulder or hands?
No, but on this side, it like, sometimes I'll be sitting there like at my desk and it'll just like, I'll feel like almost like pulsing, like pain here. But no numbness, tingling, anything like that.
Okay.
It's just a little tight today.
Is it tender when I press down through here?
Mm-mm.
No.
That's weird.
A little tight there.
Mm-hmm.
I do feel more restriction on that left side. So I'm going to start up top here. We got that.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to do some extension lower down through here. All right.
Crunchy.
Yeah. And then let's check a little bit lower into the traps. Definitely tight through there.
Mm-hmm.
Are those tender?
They feel like, yeah, a little bit like tight.
And then the left one was throbbing.
Yeah, it was like throbbing up into like, almost like up into here, but it maybe was just, I don't know what it was from, but.
Are you stressed out?
I mean, probably.
Probably.
Yeah, honestly, this week was rough. Like, I was working stuff. It was really busy, so that could be why.
That's not good.
Yeah.
Not good when you're busy.
Yeah. It's been really busy.
Doing okay with these?
Mm-hmm.
That's okay when I press through there?
Mm-hmm.
I'll check this side too. And how about through here?
It's a little more tender than the other side, but I still don't, it's not bad.
Not bad. Okay. I'm just going to do a little stretch here. That's okay.
Mm-hmm.
And no discomfort when I do that?
Mm-mm.
No, good. So I'm going to do a little pull down through here. Might make you a little bit taller.
That feels good, actually. I'll use the height. Oh,
There
heard
we
something.
go. I felt that. You might have to have your wedding dress altered now.
Yeah. Good thing I haven't had it altered at all yet, so it's good. They might not have to cut 2 feet
There
off.
you go.
Just one.
Okay, and let's do one more through the mid-back. So slide down towards your feet again. And we're going to go up a little bit higher this time. So we'll go hands behind the neck, fingers interlocked, elbows up. Nice deep breath in, and let it all go. Good. And now let's go on your belly. How has the hip been?
Good. I've been stretching it a lot more.
Good job.
And I do feel like it's helping a lot with the stretches.
Man, these shoes give you like an extra
Listen, I'm all about
foot
the
of
height,
vertical.
okay? I'll take what I can get.
So that's good there. And last thing, we're just going to do counter nutation down through here to bring the sacrum down. Okay. How's that feel when I press down through those?
Good.
Good?
Okay.
That side's okay? And up through these?
They feel good.
Good. Okay.
Perfect.
Rise and shine.
I'm a whole new person. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
Feels great.
Good.